Dagnabbit!
I don't know if it's gonna stay.
Okay. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. As you can see, I have a special guest here with me. My grandmother. Oh, I need to zoom out some, hold on. Oh, whoa. There we go, that's good. So I am going to be giving my grandmother a makeover. We're gonna make her look like me. So, we're gonna do her hair and makeup, and I also picked her a super cute outfit. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, I think that's what it's called, so that way you're notified every time I post a video. Also, give this video a big thumbs up for my grandma being such a good sport and letting me do her makeup. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with some skincare stuff because to have your face moisturized and stuff like that, your makeup application goes on a lot better. So I'm just gonna use what my grandma already uses, which is this here. I don't know if it'll even zoom in or not, or I mean focus. Anyway, L'Oreal Collagen Cream. So we're gonna put a little bit of that first as a base. But this feels nice. Just put a little bit here. And there. Then we're also going to go in with some hyaluronic acid. That helps plump the skin, which is also by L'Oreal. So we're just going to put a couple drops in my hand. And then we're going to warm it up and apply. I can't tell if they can see what I'm doing because I can't see. Okay, so there's that. I need this thing to sit on here. Jesus. Damn it. Whatever. Next, we're gonna go ahead and get her brows done. So I'm gonna get out my little products and I'll show you guys. So I'm gonna go in with the Morphe, wow, brow gel, and then also just a regular angled brush here with a spoolie on the end. Put her hair. Hopefully I'm not getting too much in the way. And we're just going to go along with what she already has. We're going to go in with the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. concealer. This is the Born This Way. It's not even focusing. Whatever. Put a little bit under the eyes. Get some setting powder. We're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake. This one's messy. And we're gonna go in with my Nude Mood palette by ColourPop. Super nice neutral colors. And then just a big fluffy brush. I don't know if y'all can see it. Go in with the Wet n Wild blush here, and this is in Mellow Wine. Just take a fluffy blush brush, just dust this on the cheeks. still want to go a little darker on your eyes closed. So now I'm just gonna go in with my little Tartelette palette here and just darken up her eyes a little bit more. Now we just gotta put your outfit on!
Oh my god.
No, 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 no.
Let me show everybody. Look at this. Dang. Oh. Okay. Now I'm gonna get her an outfit on and then I will show y'all the completed look.
One eternity later.
Okay, well, I'm crying. I cannot wait to show you guys my grandma's outfit. I better get a huge thumbs up for this video because my grandma is such a trooper.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, are y'all ready? Here it goes. Ready? There it is.
Hey.
Do a turnaround, Nanny. All the way. Ooh, dang, Sheila. Alright, you guys. So that concludes my video. If you guys enjoyed this, go ahead and make sure that you're subscribed. And I'm so glad if you are here watching. Thanks. But anyway, you're good, Nanny. Maybe. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!